Hi, my name's Ash. First, a quick disclaimer. Yes, I do work for Lenovo, but before you think I was just another Lenovo employee saying how amazing their products are, this is actually a bit different. I work in the commercial team, so I'm used to selling business products to businesses. I really don't know much about our consumer yoga laptops, so when I was asked to do a review on one, I started off with a really open mind. First, though, let me get my green screen popped up so you can't see my messy office. We'll make this look a bit more professional. There we go, that's better. So I was sent a Yoga 7i to use as my main device for a while and put through its paces. Now I have to say, so far I'm really impressed with the quality of the Yoga. The way it's designed and built is quite stunning. The quality, the precision engineering gives it a feeling of a bit like a Swiss watch. It feels expensive yet extremely rugged at the same time, if that makes sense. Now, there's actually a number of variants of this Yoga, and I'm not going to go into all the detail on speeds and feeds, but there is a 16-inch screen option, but the one I have here is the more compact 14-inch, and the display quality, I have to say, is really quite stunning. I took it with me to a couple of events and asked my colleague Graham what he thought of it. This is what he said.
Well, for me, it's the fact that, lots of people now we're carrying maybe a tablet and a laptop or spending our own hard-earned money on a tablet or a laptop. And this has got both in one. I've got a really nice, really sleek, thin and light compact laptop, but it's also my tablet as well. So I haven't got to have and update another device or worry about paying for another device to replace it at a later date. I've got my tablet and my laptop in one package, which just, with everything we carry nowadays as sort of modern sort of agile people, even in my personal life or work life, this is it. I've just got one device that does everything for me. And for me, that is just the most compelling thing about this product. And I love the colour.
Well, the colour is nice for sure, Graham. For me, designing a product like the Yoga is a real balancing act, and I feel this time we've got it just right. Here we have the perfect balance of build quality, performance and connectivity, coupled with the flexibility of a 360 yoga hinge and awesome screen quality. You can't always pigeonhole people as, say, a business person or a content consumer or a content creator. Most people, myself included, do a bit of everything, and the Yoga 7 is perfect for all of these tasks and more. It really is a beautiful looking laptop, and I've been proud to carry it with me for the last month or so. I'm not sure if I'm going to be sending this one back. Thank you very much for joining me.